Happy Sunday, my lads. Are we ready? I don't know if you know, but I'm a TGF fan, and today is 30th of August, almost 9 PM, and I'm waiting for this. This I am waiting for. Every time I've brought their collections, I've been blessed and I've managed to get what I wanted. So I'm really hoping that that is on my side again today. I'm gonna turn the Wi-Fi off on my phone and use 4G there, and then I have this. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit, in 9 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and we'll see if I actually get anything. Davina's now joined me. We've got 2 laptops and 2 phones ready to go. Ah, I'm so nervous. Oh no! Oh!
It's 25 seconds! Okay, we got this. I need to put my hair up. I'm not mentally prepared for this.
My heart's like pounding.
Screw the countdown to 2021.
Yeah, forget New Year's Eve.
Wait, this...
You can look at me.
Oh no.
Wait, come on, you have to be ready. Oh, I'm in! On my phone!
Oh, I'm on my phone!
Okay, okay,
We got this.
okay. Extra small. Add to cart.
Medium. Add to cart.
Wait, I need to go back. I need to go back. Cereal. Just press the logo. Press. Okay.
Yeah. No. Medium.
Cereal, £15.
Told you.
Okay. Add to cart.
Oh my god. Sucks the.
Okay.
Oh
Okay.
my god. Do I get 6 to 8?
Davina, just get it.
6 to 8. Add to cart.
Do I just get a t-shirt too?
Do it. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it?
£35.
No. I've got the t-shirt. Oh, mate.
Okay, so that was intense. I wanted the cereal and the t-shirt and the hoodie, but I only got the t-shirt and the hoodie, and Davina wanted the t-shirt, the hoodie and the socks, and she only got the socks. Sad times. But we got something. Happy Monday, everyone. It is Bank Holiday Monday, and if you're not from the UK, then it's basically an extra day off for the weekend. But yeah, I've just spent the whole day having a bit of a lie-in. It is currently 3:30 and I have been quite productive. I've done like basically I'm trying to film some reels. I'm trying to get in there, you know, I'm trying to be relevant. So I filmed like a base reel, and then I did a Jamie Genevieve eyelash reel, which I've actually got on at the moment. I really like them. And then I've literally just done this look. So it's blue with yellow eyeliner, and then I did one before I put the yellow eyeliner on, just of the blue. So just, you know, killing 2 birds with 1 stone pretty much. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. It's my mum and dad's anniversary today. And I'm just gonna tidy up this mess, and then I don't know what we're doing. Davina's making some pasta, so I'm gonna go and eat as well, to be honest. I'm starving. Hello guys, my mother just bought some more Tropic stuff and restocked her kit, and I got myself an oil, so now I'm hijacking her room to open the box because she hasn't opened it yet. If only you knew how good this all smelt. It's just amazing. Right, where's my... There's so much.
Which also gives you like a little tester of the cleanser, the lotion, obviously face lotion, and you get a little face dewy thingy that probably...
Oh my god, that's so cute! Why is that so small?
So there's a cleanse, tone and moisturise, and you even get a little flannel.
And Tamanu balm, which
free Tamanu balm, which
is
good.
Apparently a miracle healer.
Yeah.
Cool.
Amazing.
But we don't care about that, we just care about this beautiful body oil. Oh look, I'll show you.
Look at the little flowers in it. It's only one in
It's
there.
not glass
I
anymore.
think I bought you
It's not
two.
glass anymore.
Oh, I don't know, could be.
Is
I
this
think I
one?
bought 2.
There is 2.
Bro, got one for the salon then.
It's got flowers in it.
It's so pretty.
The look of pure disgust. Wow! Good job. Hi guys. You know you're like YouTube famous. We got 40 views on that video.
Wow.
Yeah.
I
If
watched
you haven't
it.
already, have you watched it?
I hated it. No,
Why?
I hated my voice.
If you didn't already know,
Longest
mine
ever.
mine and Davina's video went up Wednesday. What day is it? It's Thursday. Yesterday, not yesterday. And it's been doing really well and it's really good. So if you haven't watched it, I'll link it up there somewhere. And I am making fajitas for lunch. Davina's creeping in the side.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
So I thought I'd show you how I made fajitas, even though everyone knows how to do it anyway. So.
Don't even
Well, Davina made it
take
today and it
credit.
was delicious, so. And we've still got spare things. Oh my god, you know when your feet are just like hot and it just makes the rest of you hot and just like irritated. Happy Friday, my dudes. Welcome. I say welcome like you've not already been here. Oh, I just come back from town because I was picking up this bad boy. Oh, I'm so excited. This is a signed copy from Chris and Rosie. And oh, it's the first edition, you know. And I've also got one of the ones where Rosie's handwriting is actually quite legible. But yeah, if you don't actually follow this is actually a podcast by Chris and Rosie Ramsey. These two, they're a married couple. And yeah, it's done from the podcast that they do. And yeah, it's really good. I would really recommend it if you just want something stupid, like brain and neutral type thing to listen to. And to be fair, I might spend the rest of the evening reading this. I'm back at work now. I was going to actually go into the office today, but I don't know if you can tell, I've got a bit of a bunged up nose and it's a bit runny and my throat is just a little bit itchy. So I just thought better if I just stay at home today instead. I don't want to, you know, get anyone sick or anything like that. Isn't it weird how, like, come January, like this January, we didn't care if we had a cold. If we had a cold, we'd still go to the office, we'd still go to school, whatever, blah, oh, it's fine, I'll just try not to sneeze on anyone or be contagious. And then, like, everyone would joke about it, oh, no, don't give that to me, I'm going out next weekend or whatever. Whereas now, the slight sniffle, and it's like, heathen, you know? So I've already read a chapter of this and I'm in love, so I think the rest of my evening is going to be dedicated to getting through this so that I can get through this. I'm actually not that like far away now, I'm almost halfway and it's just been getting really good, to be honest. It's just been getting really good, and I am putting all of my giveaway winners into a random name generator pickup situation. So let us do this. I went for a run yesterday. I don't think I actually told you. I went for a run yesterday and it was horrendous. It was so bad. I think my body was like, whoa, she's running again? What's going on? So I went for a run. It was really bad, but I felt really good after it. Like, the run was terrible. I walked half of it and just wasn't the one. My legs like seized up. I just don't think I warmed up properly. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is I actually enjoyed it despite its difficulty. I didn't even tell you, I did my first reel and now I have TikTok. I feel like such a grandma. I finally have TikTok. Who am I? Why has it taken me so long? I just discovered, well, I didn't discover it, I thought, get it, let's download it. Who am I trying to be? Who am I trying to be? And so I downloaded it and I'm really trying not to just kind of aimlessly scroll through because I was on Jamie Genevieve's TikTok and it was just a mess. I just kept going, I just kept going, kept going. Hey guys, so it is National Fish and Chip Shop Day today. Don't already know, so I hit up my auntie's chip shop, Salt and Chips, and we got some food. So, believe it or not, I've never actually had fish from the chip shop. I always have like fish fingers, no, not fish fingers. I always have like fish cake or something like that, but today we're going for actual fish. Me and mum, oh my god, why does that look so much bigger than it does in the cabinet? So me and my mum are halving this beautiful specimen. I've never heard of it. No, I've never watched it. I've always like just heard
sure
of
there's
it.
an Indian film on this.
Yeah.
Back in.
Right guys, the rest of that's all yours.
Oh, the chips look quite nice. Oh, yeah, what are you filming it for?
Yeah.
This looks quite nice, doesn't it?
Ta-da! I'm allowed to feel sorry for myself. Guys, let's do this. Wasn't recording.
So bad.